Today, we're unboxing the Insta360 Luna Ultra, a flagship gimbal camera built for creators, vloggers, travelers, and premium content shooting. Let's open it up. We got the creator bundle this time, because content creation is part of our daily work at TVCMALL. This bundle gives us a more complete setup right out of the box. First, let's take out the carry bag and the accessories. And here it is, the Insta360 Luna Ultra. It comes with a protective cover, so the camera is well protected when stored or carried around. Here's everything included in the set. Now let's power it on. After turning it on, the camera reminds you to download the app. Just follow the setup instructions, and the connection process is quite straightforward. Now let's take a closer look at the camera itself. Luna Ultra features Leica co-engineered dual lenses, including an 8K main lens and a pro-grade telephoto lens. Whether for wide shots, portraits, or product videos, it gives you more flexibility in one compact device. The telephoto lens supports up to 12 times zoom, and the image still looks very clear. This is useful when you want to capture details from a distance without moving too close to the subject. One of the coolest features is the detachable OLED touchscreen remote. You can take the screen off, place the camera somewhere else, and still monitor your shot in real time. This is really useful for solo creators, travel vlogs, product shooting, or any situation where you need to film yourself without guessing the frame. It also supports both landscape and portrait shooting, so you can create content for different platforms more easily, from YouTube videos to TikTok and Instagram Reels. This is the battery handle. It feels comfortable to hold and helps extend your shooting time. You can also switch to the shorter 1/4 threaded handle. Both handles make it easy to mount the camera on a tripod, stand, or other accessories. There's also a hidden tripod at the bottom, giving you better stability for desk shooting. Of course, Luna Ultra also comes with many more creator-friendly features, such as built-in 3-axis stabilization, Deep Track 5.0, reliable AI tracking, AI-powered editing, and more. At TVCMALL, we'll be using the Insta360 Luna Ultra to create more high-quality content. Stay tuned for more videos.